everybody, jujube ginger tea. What I want to share with you today. I love this flavor and also not only this taste but also when I'm cooking, the smell so good. The aroma make my house so warm and cozy. When you go to Korean market or any Asian market, you can find this jujube so easily. I bought this all kinds of sizes different and looking a little bit different, but they are all jujubes. I will show you. So this is jujube. You see, kind of a little bit semi-dried. This is also but very wrinkly, and this is also small size jujube. You can use any of these. Let's measure 4 ounces. 4 ounces, 120 grams. These jujubes are really big. That's why only 9 jujubes is 4 ounces. And also ginger, 1 ounce. 1 ounce is 30 grams. You can use a spoon or just peeler. It's 1 ounce. While jujubes are drying, some dust is collected. So we gotta wash nicely. Cinnamon stick. I'm going to add this 1 cinnamon stick. Adding or not adding is big difference. Jujube and ginger. Cut open like this so that it will be tenderized so quickly. Otherwise it takes hours and hours. So still seeds are here. And cinnamon and ginger. I slice it thinly and put it here. That's it. I can make maybe serves 3 or 4 people. So 6 cups of water. Let's heat it up. Just medium low. Between medium and low. I'm sure that around 20 minutes after, this is really boiling, like a lot of bubbles coming up. So I'll just put this lid this way. After 30 minutes later, I'll just turn down the heat to low and simmer for 1 hour. That's jujube ginger tea. A couple of years ago, I visited Korea and I visited some tea house located in Insadong, Seoul. And they serve this tea. Thick and little bit sticky kind of tea. Delicious. So all this pulp is ground. And that's why it makes it kind of a little bit sticky. "30 minutes passed, but you gotta be careful because when it's boiling, it's bubbles coming up. So I just use this, my Pyrex kettle, but you guys can use a bigger one, stainless steel pot. Why did I use this? Because I want to show you. So all this see-through, you can see how it is boiling. So now it's time to turn down the heat to very low. And then cook for 1 hour. 1 hour later, jujube ginger tea is done. When I make this tea, this smells really good. Like some cinnamon smell and ginger. Ginger, everybody knows ginger is good for your body. And also jujube, good for body. It's a lot of vitamin C and also minerals such as calcium. Good for your complexion. And this is really helping your blood circulation, good for your health. I'm sure that you guys have something like similar things in your culture. Please let me know. I like to see. But for me, most of all, I enjoy the taste. It's kind of a feel-good tea. Now it looks like these bubbles are all coming down because it's just low heat. And I'm going to cover. So 1 hour, I just cooked this really low heat. Now the color is really beautiful, dark orange color. Turn off and I'm going to strain this. Like this. And all leftover ginger over here. I'm going to mash jujube pulp with this my rice scoop. You see, it was clear, but now just a little bit kind of sticky. Nice. All this delicious pulp is going through this strainer. Let's put it back, this tea. So I'm going to reheat this because we love this hot tea. And then set the table, tea table. While I'm reheating this tea, and see, this is always I need to add this pine nuts. I always remove the tips. So I'm going to show you. Pine nuts, you see, there's tips. We always remove this, take off. I feel better kind of when I clean up. So I already cleaned this. This and pine nuts, several pine nuts here. Here you go. Cheers, everybody. So let's taste. So good. Jujube flavors, really sweet. We didn't add any sugar here, but sweet, gingery, and with cinnamon flavor. Today we made jujube ginger tea. In Korean, 대추 생강차. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.